Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will set up OpenAI Codex with AI models. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome. So what is Codex? Codex is similar to Cloud Code, but it is by OpenAI and Cloud Code is by Anthropic. So to install Codex, we need nodejs. So for that, I'll first search for nodejs. Click on this first link, get nodejs, and down here click on this window installer.msi. Add it and it will download nodejs. So now the download will take some time, so we will wait. Go to the show in folder, double click on it to open the installer. The installation is pretty simple. Click next, I accept, next, and install. Click yes here and it will automatically install nodejs on your system. Why we need nodejs? Because we want to use npm, we will install Codex with npm. So npm come packaged together with nodejs. Now I'll click finish. I'll close this and now I'll open a new tab and I'll search for Codex docs. Go to this first link. Go to this quick start. Now we will install Codex CLI. So I'll select this. As you can see here, npm install -g OpenAI Codex. So I'll copy this. If you have Mac, you can use this one. Now I'll come here to search, type cmd, hit enter, and I'll paste the command. Now I'll hit enter. So now it will install Codex. So Codex is installed. So if I type here Codex -help, hit enter. So you can see these different commands from Codex. Now I'll close this. Our Codex is working. Now we need Ollama to use free models. So for that I will open a new tab and search here for Ollama. Go to this first link. You can install it by two ways. Either copy this command and paste it in PowerShell and hit enter, or click on this download Ollama. I prefer this. Click on this download for Windows. I've already installed Ollama, so I'll cancel this. The installation is pretty simple like Node.js. You can just open the setup and then click next, and it will install automatically. So when you install Ollama, you can verify it in cmd. So type cmd, hit enter, and type here Ollama -help, and it will show you these commands of Ollama. So it means that Ollama is installed successfully. Now I'll close this. So now how can we install a model with Ollama? So for that I will open a new tab and here I will search for Ollama library. So these are different models that we can use with Ollama. We can download it and we can use it locally as well as we can use it on cloud. As you can see here with this Gamma 3, cloud is given, so it is available on cloud. You can download it locally as well as you can use it on cloud. Now with Codex we need to use those models which shows tools here. They can use tools, otherwise Codex will not work with this one or this one. We do not have tools in it. Now if you go down, you can see here Qwen 3.5. So I will download this one. I will use it locally because it has a 0.8 B parameters. Qwen 3.5 available as well as on cloud. So I'll use this. I'll show you how to download it locally or how to use it on cloud. So I'll open this. Now I'll go down. This is 1 GB as you can see. So I'll copy this and I'll come to cmd, enter, and I will use Ollama pull and then I will paste that model and hit enter. So now it is pulling manifest. Now you can see it is downloading the model. So it will take some time, so we will wait. So now you can see that the installation is successful. So if I type here Ollama list, so now you can see on this first one it is installed 38 seconds ago. I have these models as well. I have already installed these. Now I will show you how to install its cloud version. So for that I will use Ollama all and then I will paste from here this cloud one and I will paste this, hit enter. So now it will pull only the manifest and it will install it. Now if I use it Ollama list, so now you can see that the cloud version is also installed. Now how can we use this with Codex? So for that I will close this. I'll come to this Ollama app, ollama-launch Codex. I'll copy this. I'll come to this folder B and I'll create a new folder here, Codex projects. I'll open this. Here in this top bar, I'll type cmd, hit enter. So it will open the cmd here. Now here I can type or I can paste the command here, ollama-launch Codex. So I can now select from these different models that I have already installed. So I'll select this gpt-oss 120 billion parameter cloud. Yes. I'll ask it create me a tech or create me a login page in this folder. Do not use separate file for CSS and JavaScript, put all in one file, index.html. Design it professionally. So your code or your design will depend on your prompt, what type of prompt you have given to the model. So now you can see it is working on it. So now you can see here login page created. Now contains a responsive professional looking login form with embedded CSS style and JavaScript validation, all in single HTML file. You can open it in a browser to see the design and test the basic client side check. So now if I go to the folder, so now you can see index.html. So if I double click on this to open it, now you can see a responsive design. Now if I click on this login, so now you can see both fields are required. Now if I type something here and then click login, and now if I type in this as well and click login, enter a valid email. So it has created us this login page with JavaScript validation and CSS design. So I often receive comments that Cloud Code or Codex is not free. So the Cloud Code CLI and Codex CLI is absolutely free, as I have used here. It is the model like Sonnet or Opus or GPT 5.5 that are not free. You can use the AI code assistant for free, but you cannot use the model for free. So that is why we used Ollama to use free models with it. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.